Okay, so hello everyone. The today's topic for the discussion is refractive index. The refractive index can be defined as it is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. We can simply divide the speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. You will simply get refractive index. Now the question arises, what will be the SI unit of refractive index for any particular unit of refractive index? Here you are saying that the speed of light is there in numerator and denominator. That's why they cancel out. So there is no as such unit of refractive index. It is unitless. The second important thing is in your NCERT book there is a table given. Refractive index value is given of different substances. That means that if the light passing from one medium to another, there is a change in the speed of light. That's why we are taking the ratio of those speed of light, and that is equal to the refractive index. By observing the table, we found that the refractive index value of air is 1.0003. That is nearly equal to 1. This type of value can come only in the case if the speed of light in vacuum is very similar to the speed of light in medium. The refractive index value of diamond is maximum 2.42. This is very big value. This can become if denominator is very less. We can also check the value of speed of light. You can simply put the value here. 2.42 is equal to speed of light in vacuum we already know, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. And speed of light in medium you can suppose it is V. So V will be 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by 2.42. So it will come near 1.23 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Now you can see that why the refractive index value of diamond is too much, because the speed of light in diamond is very less as compared to the speed of light in vacuum. These type of numerical questions are frequent in exams. Now the question arises, what is the symbol of refractive index? The symbol is N, or you can say eta. Now the speed of light in vacuum can be denoted by capital letter C, and the speed of light in medium can be denoted by V. So this is the symbolic representation of this formula. In numericals, any two values can given. The third value you have to calculate. This is the universal value. So these values are alternate given in the exams. Now the second type of numerical can become in a way that the speed of light in medium can be given. Like suppose 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second is the speed of light in glass. I am assuming it. You have to calculate refractive index. Just put the value and get the answer. So here we can put 3 into 10 raised to power 8. This is universal value. And the given value of the light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to power 8. These are same value, we can cut. Here you can find 3 upon 2. So you are getting 1.5 will be the refractive index of glass. I hope you have wonderfully understood this concept. This is a very simple concept of chapter number 10, light refraction and reflection. If you have any doubt related to this concept, you can put your queries in chat box. Thank you so much.